నమస్తే జెడ్బీ9 న్యూస్ కి స్వాగతం. నిరంతర అభ్యాసంతోనే విజయం సాధ్యమవుతుందని, శ్రద్ధ క్రమశిక్షణతోనే లక్ష్యాన్ని చేరుకోవాలని తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర గవర్నర్ విష్ణుదేవ్ వర్మ విద్యార్థులకు పిలుపునిచ్చారు. కరీంనగర్లోని శాతవాహన విశ్వవిద్యాలయం 2వ స్నాతకోత్సవానికి తెలంగాణ గవర్నర్ కులపతి విష్ణుదేవ్ వర్మ హాజరయ్యారు. 25 మందికి PhD పట్టాలతో పాటు 2018 నుంచి 2023 వరకు ప్రతిభ కనబరిచిన 161 మంది విద్యార్థులకు బంగారు పతకాలు గవర్నర్ అందజేశారు.
కెమిస్ట్రీ 2023 G. Srinivas, Chemistry 2023. D. Raghu, Chemistry 2023. N. Mallareddy, Chemistry 2023. G. Srinivas, Chemistry 2023. D. Raghu, Chemistry 2023. M. Praveen Kumar, Chemistry 2024. K. Sadanandam, Chemistry 2025. S. Manasa, Chemistry 2025. T. Manjula, Chemistry 2025.
K. Rajendram, Economics in the year of 2022. The Doctor of Philosophy in Economics. I request all the PhD candidates from Social Sciences to come to the dais kindly. K. Rajendram is receiving in the field of Economics in the year 2022. I call upon Fatima Sultana Begum in the field of Economics in the year of 2023. Fatima Sultana Begum. V. Jamuna in the field of Economics in the year 2023. V. Jamuna. B. Adinarayana in the field of Sociology in the year of 2023. B. Adinarayana. M. Srinivas in the field of Sociology in the year 2023. M. Srinivas. M. Tirupati, field of Economics, year of 2024. B. Vasavi, in the field of Sociology, 2025. Dean of Faculty of Arts.
List of PhD awardee in Arts: Said Fatimun Issa Sam, Urdu 2023. Yes. Abdul Salma Kausir, Urdu 2023. Nazia Fatima 2023. Nazia Fatima. Asra Tasneem 2025. Next.
In the subject of business management, the awardee of PhDs, K. Vaishnavi, Business Management for the year 2023. E. Ramesh, Business Management for the year 2023. V. Srujana Devi.
Your attention please. As the dignitaries approach the venue, all of you please stand and remain standing because national anthem will be played in the beginning. As the dignitaries approach the venue, please stand, not now. You can be seated. As the dignitaries approach the venue, please stand. Kindly be seated now.
A kind attention please. In a few minutes the procession is going to come. So when the procession starts, each and everyone please be stand.
And I charge you throughout your life to prove worthy of this degree.
Chancellor Sir, I pray that the gold medals be awarded to the candidates who have been declared entitled to receive the gold medals. Please all the gold medals be ready. First, Lord's late Sri Nandagiri Anantaraja Sharma Memorial Gold Medal, secured highest marks in the course of BA Sanskrit. For the 2019-20, Raj Kumar. Anusha. 21-22, Sri Charan. 22-23, Priyadarshini. Late Srimati Suman Karwa Memorial Gold Medal, secured highest marks in the course of MA English, Sindhuja for the year 2017-18. 18-19, Tejpal Kaur. 19-20, Janaki Devi. 20-21, Akila. 21-22, Firdaus Fatima. 22-23, Suman Fatima. Next award, gold medals, late Sri Tiruvaranga M. Srinivasachari Memorial Gold Medal, secured highest marks in the course of MA Telugu. Samudrala Samata. She also got another gold medal. Sri Lingareddy Gold Medal, secured highest marks in the paper Vyakarana Bhasha Charita for the 2018. Umarani. Amarananda. He also got another 4 gold medals. Sri Boinapelli Venkatramanna Rao Memorial Gold Medal, Yada Suraya Memorial Gold Medal, Lingareddy Gold Medal. Venkatesh for the year 2021. He also got another gold medal, Sri Boinipalli Venkatramana Rao Memorial Gold Medal, Secure English Magna Paper Adhinika Kavityam. Kadasu Narmada. She got 4 gold medals. Late Sri Boinipalli Venkatramana Rao Memorial Gold Medal, Sri Yada Suraya Memorial Gold Medal, Sri A. Lingareddy Gold Medal for the year 2022. Rajesh, he also got another 2 gold medals. Dudulla Sripadarao Memorial Gold Medal, Sri A. Lingareddy Gold Medal for Vyakarana Bhasha Charita for the year 2023. Next gold medal, late Sri Boinipalli Venkatramana Rao Memorial Gold Medal, secured highest marks in the paper Adhinika Kavityam in MA Telugu. For the year 17-18, Anusha, 18-19, Sangeeta, 22-23, Sampurna,